good representation of what we can do with our products and our connected services. We've got a really good replication of the office, the American office, built in like a Lego formation. What the idea here is that we can start to show how if people enter kind of the building, the blinds will come up, it'll show that the office is now in use. One light comes on and we can display here and we can see that one person has entered the building. As we start to add more people into the building in the office area, again the number ramps up, another light comes on and the fan starts to turn a bit quicker. Then we add more people to the office and again you'll see that the number goes up again, so it shows the energy that's being used in the area as well. And then finally we add the fourth, we're now at full capacity. This also works in the opposite direction. As people start to exit the building in the office rooms, the lights will start to dim, the fan speed will slow down, the number count in the office will also decrease, and as the final person leaves the building, the fan will slow down, lights go off, blinds go down, and the occupancy is back down to 0.